Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Shiftor. So today we're gonna make a sinigang na salmon or salmon clare soup. So papakita ko sa inyo ang aking paggawa. Simple recipe, but I would like to ask first to share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is my salmon mix from head part or belly and the tail, and this is my vegetable. So look at that, it's fresh vegetable. Yes. And this is my soup. So I just boil first the water. So I just put some onion, ginger, tomato, tamarind, and lemongrass. So I'm just going to take first the tamarind. Kasi ano ko to. Imamashi ko yung aking tamarind. So this is some fresh tamarind. I-squish lang natin yung tomato. Yan, para yung kanyang juice lumabas siya. So this is a local dish. Simple and easy recipe. So I'm going to mash the tamarind just to release the juice of the tamarind. So that's nice flavor for my sinigang na salmon. So yan po siya. Squish lang natin siya, mashing, tapos lagyan natin ng liquid para yung kanyang flavor is talagang ano. So lalagyan po natin siya ng ano, liquid para yan. Mix lang natin siya, tapos ibabalik natin siya. Siguro mga 3 beses natin siyang yan, para yung juice ng tamarind makuha natin. Ayan. Yan po. Yan. So, mamaya nito masarap itong aking sinigang na salmon. So, lagyan po natin na siya ng flavor. Yan. Salt. And fish sauce. Yan. So we're going to put now my salmon. Yeah, it's ready to put my salmon. So, yeah, lagyan natin ang salmon. Yeah. So marami-rami itong aking sinigang. Kasi mura lang dito ang salmon sa amin sa Scotland. So salmon head, and belly, and the tail. That's so, yeah. Okay. Boil na natin, and then will be ready. Sorry. So, okay, almost ready, my sinigang. So, ilagyan natin yung vegetable. Ayan. Ito yung aking kaldero, puno. Tapos So now it's ready now, may sinigang na salmon. Patas. So blend ng fresh chili. Tapos spring onion. Pagkatis may sinigang na salmon. Now we're going to taste now my sinigang na salmon. So this is my sinigang na salmon. Yan ang aking lunch ngayon. Side of bread. Thank you again for watching for my YouTube channel.